So guys, today I am here to prove her wrong because she took the point of love marriage and I think love marriage is not good for everyone. So I am here to prove her wrong. So welcome in our advanced spoken English class July 3. So without wasting any time, let's prove her wrong.
Okay, so prove me wrong.
Okay, so I think love marriage is not too good for two families because we see that in love marriage, this is the relationship between two families. So the bonding of the family becomes too strong. Whenever we got any bother in our life, they help us. So we support her in that.
But if your love is true and your love is successful, your parent will never say you to don't do love marriage, and they will also support you. And according to me, love marriage is more better than arranged marriage because in love marriage, the two person will know each other. They know their opposite families also, and they will be so comfortable in their families. And no, yeah.
Okay, so sometimes because we are not too mature to take our decisions in our life because we know that we become mature after the marriage. So before the marriage we are not too mature to take our decision, but the parents, they know our future, that how we should do in our life. So they see the wrong things in the person you choose. So they always treat you that you shouldn't choose the people which is not eligible for you.
Don't
So
you think that you are wrong by saying this?
I'm
After marriage only we become mature.
No.
Before marriage also we becomes mature.
I'm saying that it is we got mature after some incidents and after some age.
Could be happen before marriage also.
Okay,
Then
okay.
marriage
So
and
let me
that
finish.
people
You are
do
going
this.
to mature and mature. So I'm saying that
Your point was wrong.
they are.
That's why.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Okay,
Because
okay.
what do you think that you are mature? Are you mature?
I'm not talking about me.
So
You-
it
now
is.
you-
This is not
now
age.
you- what
This
you
is
do-
not the age.
Wait a minute. I'm not talking about my age or your age. I was just saying that you are wrong in that you have told after marriage only.
99%.
You
99%.
did not say like this. You
It
just
is depends
said,
on your sense. You should. Because I am saying that it is a chair.
You just totally said like this that your maturity comes after the
Okay.
marriage. and
In a
it's
bag,
wrong.
there
You
is
should
a-
accept it.
Sometimes you said that there is books in my bag, but there is also a notebooks. So you have to explain that what is in the bag. You can't say that. So it
I
is
did
a
not
way.
bring-
It is a way.
I did
It is
not
a way
bring
to
the
say.
notebook.
You can't say
I
that.
did not
It is
bring
a
the
way.
notebook
It is the
that
way
day.
to take.
It's not.
Okay.
It's
There is a
you have to
okay.
explain everything.
Okay. If
So-
you have the weed in a packet, and some people are saying that what is in the packet, you will say that there is a weed. You will also say that there is also insects. You won't say that because it is too small.
You can't compare this to that. because
I
you-
can. It is.
No,
I am saying
because
that
you-
it is up to
you
your sense.
clearly- you
Your
clearly
sense is
said
not like that.
this. You
Okay.
clearly said like this.
Okay. Let me
That's
come to the
why-
point.
Okay, say.
So people, parents understands us. They knows the wrong and right in our life because they have seen the world. So we should go with the parents because sometimes we think that we are right, but we are not at that situation. So they know the world. So we should go with them.
Okay, so let me say one thing. Let me ask you something. So according to you, we should not love each other. A boy.
I'm
and a girl
not
should
saying that. I'm not saying that.
That,
I am.
I'm asking.
What is
I'm
my
not
statement?
proving you wrong. I'm just asking. What do you think?
The
say?
okay, listen my statement. Arranged marriage is more beautiful and too good for than love marriage. I'm comparing it. Arranged marriage is better than that.
No match.
I'm not saying that it is
Okay.
too worse. I'm saying that in comparison it is
Have
good.
you heard about the Lord Krishna and that goddess Sati? Have
What?
you heard? Lord Krishna and Sati.
There is
Have
no
you heard?
comparison between Sati and Krishna.
Sorry,
Haven't
sorry.
you heard?
Sorry,
Haven't you
Shiva,
heard
Shiva.
Mahabharata?
Sorry, my mistake. It's Lord Shiva, Shiva. I'm
It's
sorry.
big mistake. It's big mistake
I'm
because
sorry,
it is
I'm sorry.
it is
was my-
connected to their.
I was thinking about him and I told
Oh,
I'm
MG.
sorry, I'm sorry. Lord Shiva and Sati. Okay. Lord Shiva and Sati. Have you heard about him? About them?
Let me think. I think I have, but don't know about them.
Okay, let me say, Lord Shiva and Sati. Lord Shiva was not like in love, Sati was loving Lord Shiva too much. Okay, she prayed, she done everything to make him agree for marriage. They both are in love after few times. Okay, but her family was against them. Okay, and once due to some personal reason of them, she died, Sati, and then she again came back by being that Parvati. This name I think you have heard.
So
Parvati.
between this,
Let me
between
say,
this,
let
between
me
this,
say.
what happened with Sati?
She died now only, I told you. No?
Okay, she died just
She
because
died.
of his father was not agree.
Yes, she died. No, it was not like that. She went with Krishna.
So
but
what
when
is
she
responsible?
came back- Just let me complete now. You say after
The
that.
marriage was responsible for this death.
Let me say now.
What I am
Now,
saying. That's what I am saying.
Let me say.
Love
Let
marriage
me
is
complete. You can't
responsible
interrupt
for
me,
this
please.
death. Now you can say.
You can't interrupt me. Let me say. Then you say
But
whatever
I
you
said,
want to say.
I am saying that. See, whatever you.
Is it over?
No, I don't think.
Okay, you say first. Then I will say.
Okay, finish. Now you can say.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So where I was, after few years, she again came as a Parvati because love never ends. Okay. So when she came, at that time their family was, I don't know, they're against. I think so. Then also their family was against. But now also we worship them, and their love marriage is successful. When they can success, then why not humans?
Actually, first thing I would like to tell you, I'm not opposing the love, cause
You're
love.
opposing the love marriage, and I have told you.
I'm not opposing the love.
I could
You are
also
saying
say about the
you are
Krishna
saying
and
about the
Radha, but I
love.
did not
I'm
say
saying that
this.
love. I'm not opposing against of the love, cause in arranged marriage also the two partners love each other.
But after
Also the two
marriage, they
families
take
love
two
each
times.
other.
They take 2 times.
So
to
what
love.
was the form of that
They
marriage?
even don't
That was
comfort
also
them.
that was also a arranged marriage.
Which one?
Which one? The Parvati and Shiva. That was also
It
arranged
was
marriage.
love marriage only. It was love marriage only.
Because
Then it
that was
became
the
arranged.
another bond of Parvati, and it was
I did not tell you. That's why I did not
both.
tell you about the Krishna and Radha because they are not.
they
love.
didn't marriage.
That's why I did not took the example of them, na. That's why I did not.
But you are saying
And,
about that Krishna and Sati.
That was my fault.
The mother
I
and
said-
son.
That was my fault. It was just a slip of tongue. I was
No, it
thinking.
was big
Actually,
mistake.
I
It was not fault. It was big mistake.
I know.
You should know. You should know.
I know the one I'm accepting.
So I'm saying that you
I'm
should.
accepting now.
You should.
I was thinking about the Krishna and Radha, but I did not
You're
take the example,
supposed to
so
be.
I have mixed that board. And I've corrected now. It was fault. I've corrected. And what was I saying?
You should focus on your talk.
Yes, I know. Now also you are distracting me. Let me say. I was saying that according to me, love marriage, according to you, arranged marriage is more better. But love marriage is more better because when you see people, so after love marriage, they don't be comfort with each other. They don't know too much. And if earlier, if you will
What
know,
did you say?
they don't be too
Repeat
much
the
comfort.
sentence.
They don't be too much comfort after
In which marriage?
arranged marriage.
You see. Okay. Continue.
In arranged marriage, and even they don't know their families, so they don't they take too much time to accept their families, each other's family, or especially girl, when she go to the boy house, she take too much time, and even she don't know the families are good or bad, how they are treating and all. And in love marriage, you will know the family, how they are, and if you will, yes, in love marriage you know how their families are, and you will be more comfort there after marriage.
First thing.
What?
First thing is the love happens in the teenage. We all know that.
What?
And
Repeat,
99%.
repeat.
Huh?
Repeat.
The 99% love happens in teenage. You know that. Okay, in our schools and colleges, because we meet the peoples and we do friendship with them and know each other. So in this time, it's the time to study. So the students waste their time in this relationship, and we all knows that what is the step of life. Firstly, you have to make your career, and then you have to decide your partner. So before this, in love marriages, firstly they do love, so it wastes their it distracts to them with this from the studies, and they waste their time in roaming here and there, and also they spend their much time with each other. So it's not good for their career, and also the students also knows that it is not good for him, cause he hides it from their parents. Why he hides? Why does he hide? Cause he knows that it is not right for them, and also they knows that it is not good for them. And then let me. And then you said that in arranged marriage they don't get the much time. They don't get the much time. So it is up to the peoples, cause there was a deadly habits in ancient India, cause they married the two person without seeing each other's face. So it is deadly habits of our culture. So now we are developing, and it is up to us that we can develop the culture of arranged marriage. Now we are giving the much time to both partners that talk to each other, know each other, and then it is up to you that you want to marriage to each other or not. So it gives you more comfort to each other. Finished.
Okay. So you were saying that love marriage gives you, when you are in love, you don't you spend much time with them and you waste your time, you don't study. Like this you were saying, no?
Okay.
So I think and I feel that if your partner is supportive and he understands you, your situation and your studies, he will never or she will never be let you waste your time. It will support you in your studies. It will support you. He will or she will support you in your
I'm
studies.
saying you. This is the only one sentence. You are not too mature to think like this. I'm saying that you are not mature to think like
I'm
this. You
already
can't say
mature.
that.
I think
Let
that
let him
we-
study. Let him study. You will not do that. I'm sure you will not do that. You will talk to him, her with 2 or 3 hours, cause it is human behavior. It is the behavior of. It is the sense of the love. They want to spend time with each other.
No, it's not like that. It's
It
really
is.
not.
It is,
It's not like
cause-
that. It depends on you how you treat yourself.
Yes, it depends on us, and we are humans. We are human. It is the behavior
It's
of
really
human
not
nature.
like that. It's really not like that. If you will think that your partner should succeed or it should be good, then I think you should support or he or she will definitely support you in your every situation and in
So some people,
studies.
why don't they tell their parents that we are in love?
For that only I was coming there.
Because they know that it's not right.
No, it's not like
In
that.
that time,
because
that's
they know that their parents will not support.
This is what I'm saying. That's
Let
what
me
I'm
say,
saying.
let me
They will
say,
not support
let me
because they
say
know
for
that.
what reason
Because
they
they
are
know
not
that.
saying.
Because they know
Let me
that
say
the
for what
better
reason.
peoples
Because
and
they-
humans that how they are. If he has not made his career, so how is he eligible for that girl or boy?
They are not getting married now, but that they are not saying to their parents.
But they
because
are
their parents
wasting
will-
their time. They are
because-
wasting their time
Wait
with
a
the wrong
minute, let me
people.
complete. Why
They are
you
wasting
not
their
complete?
time with the wrong people. This
No, it's
is
not
the
like
fact.
that.
This
It's
is
not.
the fact.
If someone will come in love with you, just suppose I'm not saying to you only. Are you wrong? You're not wrong. You will also support if you love truly. Wait a minute, I'm not talking about that. Their parents will not support. They think like this, and they wait for a time that when they will succeed, then they will say to their parents. That's why they're not saying because they know that.
You will wait for the marriage. You will wait for the marriage, but you are
Time.
bonded to a love. And
We will wait
have you
for
any
time, I'm
have you
asking.
any parameter to calculate that how much he loves you, and he will not
You heard wrong. You
betray
heard
to
wrong.
you. He
You
will
heard wrong.
he will
I
not
told
he will
you.
not betray to you.
You heard wrong.
There is no
I
guarantee.
was
There
not
is no
saying like
guarantee.
that.
And
I
the
was not
parents
saying that.
that
what
parents
I
knows
heard.
that who
No,
is
you
wrong,
can't
who is right for
interrupt
you,
me.
who is wrong
Let
for
me
you.
clear my point, then you say.
I have cleared my point. That's too
You
good.
will get the chance. Let me clear. Let me clear.
I got, and you will also get.
Wait. Let me say. I was saying that the person who are in love, they are waiting for time to succeed. When they get success, they say to their parents that we are in love, we want to marry, and we are also succeed. If you think that we are capable, and whatever, however they are saying their parents, that for that I'm saying they are waiting for the time.
But
And
I
you
have
were
told
thinking
you.
that they are waiting for marriage. I think.
Okay. You also said that they will wait for the marriage. I said that in this process of marriage, because in arranged marriage, this time people find for their daughters and for their sons partner when they think that he is eligible for that marriage. Okay, and then he tried to find his partner. In love marriage, he also choose his partner, and they are wasting their time. I'm that saying that. Before that, in arranged marriage, people only focus their career.
No, it's nothing like that.
It is like that. It is.
I've
All I
already
have
told
seen.
you.
I am the
I've
evidence.
already told you like this. Like if your parents, I'm saying about the partner, is or she is supportive, then you will never be unsuccessful. You will definitely successful, and your parents will never be against you. They will always support you.
Do you
If
know
your love
about?
is true and you're successful and you can be together happily.
So
You
come
will
on,
never
give your
lose.
conclusion about it.
Say what I wish.
Okay, tell your essay.
Shut up. According to me, love marriage is more better than arranged marriage, and arranged marriage is also good in its own way. If we do love marriage, we know each other and families from earlier, and we be more comfortable because it's not about some month and day. It is the decision of the whole life. And about the arranged marriage, I will say that it is also good if the parents know their families from earlier. Than only because in arranged marriage, I think the people are not too much comfort because they don't know their families and they take too much time to be comfort. That's all.
According to me, we are here, we are living. This life is given by our parents. So I think we shouldn't disappoint them. And love is the second form of the God. So it is also possible from the arranged marriage, also possible from the love marriage. So it is up to us that how we choose our partner. Firstly, we should make our career, and then we should choose our partner. Even if we have choose our partner, then also we should wait for a particular time, and then we should manage. That's over. That is